Think about the 5 adults closest to you, right now. Your siblings, your friends, your spouse. Statistically, 4 of them are aging faster than their biology requires, not because of genetics, not because of time, because of what they are eating. Stay until food number 1, because what scientists found will completely change what you put on your plate, starting tomorrow. Biological aging isn't about time. It's about what's happening inside your cells right now. Scientists now agree on 4 core mechanisms that accelerate how fast your body grows old: inflammation, oxidative stress, telomere shortening, and cellular senescence. The pharmaceutical industry has spent billions trying to build drugs that target these 4 pathways. But the answer? It was in your grocery store the entire time. Food number 7. Turmeric, but not the faded powder buried in a spice rack, the active compound inside it, curcumin. In 2019, researchers at the University of California published a landmark review of 49 clinical studies. The catch? Curcumin alone absorbs poorly. Black pepper increases absorption by up to 2,000%. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, in your morning drink. Food number 6 is one you probably already have in your kitchen, but most people are using it wrong: extra virgin olive oil. There's a compound, oleocanthal, that creates the exact same burning sensation in the throat as ibuprofen. Identical mechanism. But heat destroys oleocanthal. Use it cold. Drizzle it after cooking. That one change is the difference between a flavoring agent and an anti-aging medicine. Before number 5, if this is the kind of information you've never heard before, hit the like button now and subscribe. Every week we uncover the hidden science of what keeps people alive, healthy, and sharp, well into their 80s and 90s. Back to the list. Food number 5. Blueberries. Your brain has its own growth system, BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it as fertilizer for your neurons. After 60, BDNF production drops dramatically. This is the real driver of cognitive decline. Half a cup per day. Frozen works just as well as fresh. Your brain at 70 does not have to function like a brain at 70. Food number 4, green tea. Specifically, it's compound EGCG. This is one of the only natural compounds ever shown in human trials to trigger autophagy, your body's internal recycling system, 2 to 3 cups per day. Loose leaf is best. One critical detail? Don't add milk. It binds to the catechins and neutralizes the effect. Food number 3, fatty fish, wild salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Not because of omega-3 alone, because of what omega-3 does to your telomeres. A 2010 study in JAMA followed 608 patients for 5 years. Patients with the highest omega-3 levels showed the slowest telomere shortening. Canned sardines in olive oil are one of the most cost-effective longevity foods on the planet. The people living past 100 in Sardinia, Italy, they eat them several times a week. That is not coincidence. That is data. We're down to the top 2 now. If you've learned one new thing so far, comment the word science below. I want to see who's paying attention. Number 2 is the food most people stopped eating as children, and that may be the most expensive nutritional mistake of their life. Food number 2 is broccoli. The compound? Sulforaphane. It activates the NRF2 pathway, your body's master antioxidant switch. When activated, your cells don't just absorb antioxidants, they start manufacturing their own protective enzymes internally. Steam, don't boil. Boiling destroys up to 90% of sulforaphane. Add mustard seed powder after cooking. Steam. Add mustard. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Your cells are capable of defending themselves. You just have to give them the signal In 2016, researchers in Switzerland discovered something incredible. Pomegranate contains ellagic acid. When the right gut bacteria metabolize it, they produce urolithin A, the only naturally derived compound ever shown to trigger mitophagy, the targeted recycling of damaged mitochondria. In 2022, a human trial published in Nature Aging showed adults over 65 had measurable improvements in muscle strength, endurance, and cellular energy in just 4 months. Not everyone's gut produces urolithin A efficiently, only about 40% of the population, but regular pomegranate consumption can gradually shift your gut microbiome over time. 7 foods, 7 pathways into the biology of aging that you can address starting at your next meal. Turmeric with black pepper, cold extra virgin olive oil, blueberries, green tea without milk, wild fatty fish twice a week, lightly steamed broccoli with mustard powder, and pomegranate. Before this video ends, I make one decision. Not all 7. Just one, because information without decision is just entertainment, and your body doesn't need entertainment, it needs action. Next week, we're revealing the 3 daily habits silently accelerating your biological age, and how to stop them before they do permanent damage. The clock is running. Make it count.